Kublesh buni fibro kajing tip namta ke result. Tekane kadai ka result of the interview for the post of lower division assistant conducted by the district selection committee Southwest Khasi Hill district on 16 July 2024 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the committee in order of merit are as follow. Lower division assistant name category. Shri Andi Persons Imle, you are Srimati Rishalin Nonglang, you are Ramdor Pasa Khasi Jaintia, Ever Shining Lingdo Khasi Jaintia, Evangeline Lingdo Khasi Jaintia, but Pisnia Wanyang Khasi Jaintia. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointing authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary. The congratulations na komenta kini ringwood bak lalong successful namta post LDA Hapo Southwest Khasi Hill District. Thank you, Neptip.